Welcome back, beautiful soul. I'm so glad you're here for day 2 of your lunar nervous system reset. Yesterday, you planted your roots deep into the earth. You found your ground. You found your safety. Today, we flow. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down, whatever feels most supportive for your body right now. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth with a sigh. Again, breathe in deeply and let it all go. One more time, breathe in and release. Just as the moon governs the tides, she governs the waters within you, your emotions, your tears, your flow. Today, we honor the water within you, the rivers of feeling that move through your body. You are mostly water, beautiful soul, and water was never meant to be still. Bring your awareness to your body and scan from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. Notice where you feel tension. Notice where you feel tightness. Notice where you feel numb. These are the places where water has stopped flowing, where emotion has been dammed up, waiting for permission to move. Today, we give it permission. Bring your awareness to your throat. Is there something you haven't said? Something you've been holding back? Now move to your heart. Is there grief living here? Sadness that hasn't been fully felt? Move to your belly. Is there fear here? Anxiety that has made its home in your stomach? Move to your hips. Is there old pain here? Shame or guilt that has settled into your bones? Just notice. Don't judge. Don't try to fix. Just witness what is here. The moon sees all of you. She doesn't judge. She simply witnesses. And so do I. Now, I want you to imagine yourself standing at the edge of a sacred river. This river has been flowing since the beginning of time. Its waters are warm, clear, and filled with healing light. The river knows exactly what you need to release today. It has been waiting for you. Step into the river now. Feel the warm water rise around your ankles, your calves, your knees. The water is gentle. The water is safe. The water is here to help you. As the water flows around you, feel it beginning to loosen what you've been holding. The grief in your heart, the water touches it gently. The fear in your belly, the water softens it. The pain in your hips, the water begins to dissolve it. Now, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, make a sound. Any sound. A sigh, a hum, a groan, or even a cry. Let your body release through sound. Breathe in and release with sound. Again, breathe in and let it go with sound. One more time, breathe in and release everything you've been holding. Feel how much lighter you are. Feel the river carrying it all away, downstream, away from you, back to the ocean where it will be transformed and healed. Now, the river begins to glow. Soft silver moonlight fills the water around you. This is the moon's healing energy. She is here with you now. Feel the moonlit water washing away everything you no longer need. every old story, every old wound, every old version of yourself that you've been carrying. You are being cleansed. You are being renewed. You are being made new. Feel the warmth of your own hands and feel your heartbeat beneath your palms. This heart has carried so much. This heart has loved so deeply. This heart has survived everything it has been through. Speak these words with me now, silently or out loud. I release what no longer serves me. I allow my emotions to flow freely. I am safe to feel. I am safe to release. I am cleansed and renewed. I flow like water, free and unbound. I am the river. I am the ocean. I am the rain. I am always moving, always flowing, always finding my way home. Feel these words landing in your body and let them be true. The moon flows through her cycles, and you can flow through yours. Take a few more deep breaths here. Feel how much space you've created in your body. Feel how much lighter you are. Feel the river still flowing around you, gentle, warm, and healing. You can return to this river anytime you need to release. Simply close your eyes, feel the water, and let it flow. to step out of the river. Feel your feet on solid ground. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently roll your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and release it with a sigh. Slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. You are flowing. You are free. You are renewed. Thank you for practicing with me today. May you move through this day like water, flowing, adapting, and always finding your way home.